We're going to do a restoration on this glove. This is a glove that we just got. Pretty old and pretty bad shape. I've already relaced the heel of it, but we're gonna do a restoration on it and see how it comes out. Videotape all of it. And we'll show you how it comes out. So we put a layer of conditioner over the whole surface of the glove. Inside, outside, laces, all the leather surfaces of the glove. And now we'll take it and we'll put a form inside of it and we'll let it sit for 24 hours and we'll see how it looks. So this is the completion of our restoration project. We restored this glove. It was a flat pancake. You saw the video. Conditioned it, tightened the laces up on it, relaced the heel on it because the heel lace broke. Put it in the roll form kit, and we're going to take it out and show a little restoration here. We'll see how it looks. So it was a pancake before, and you can see now it's pretty much brought back to life. It's very playable again, much more pliable and soft. So it's definitely, I would say, restored. Before this was a flat pancake, and now there it is laying in my hand, and it is not a pancake anymore. So definitely works. This is a Wilson A2000. It was pretty beat up. The heel lace was all broken. I relaced that, tightened the laces up a little bit on it, and put it in the form, and there you have it. So shows that it will restore a glove even when it's beat up and pretty worn out. So hopefully that's helpful.